You are a songwriter, a composer, or you have an art to share with the world.
So what are you waiting for? In the Ableton for Music Creators and Artists course, we give you an insider's look on all the aspects essential for being a true modern music producer.
As early as Course 2, you'll cover beats. Drums and rhythmic elements will be the foundation of any style of your music you're looking to create.
We will cover the importance of the commonly used drum elements like kicks, snares, hats, cymbals, and percussion instruments. Not only will you learn to arrange these into proper rhythmic sequences, but you will also learn how to apply effects to help your drum beats cut through the mix.
The following courses will show you how to properly create, write, and process a bass line to accompany your beat. All that's left is writing a proper melodic sequence to set the mood that will match the rhythm you've developed.
With lessons like virtual synths, you'll learn the basics of the modern synthesizer. Subtractive, wavetable, and FM synthesizers will all be covered, so you can choose the sound that's right for you.
In audio effects, you learn proper EQ technique, the best time to apply a compressor, and how to place your vocal with just the right amount of reverb.
In sample programming and editing, you'll be using Simpler or Sampler to apply modern editing techniques. With these techniques, you'll be able to properly manipulate samples to fit perfectly in your tracks.
You'll also learn what is needed to develop your dream as an artist into a reality, with lessons that cover branding, marketing, and release strategies.
All of this can be completed from the comfort of your own home studio, or if you prefer as a hybrid. But be assured with this course, you are also getting one-on-one time inside a real professional recording studio to work on, tweak, and polish your original tracks. In fact, with this course, you get 2 mentors, one remotely and one inside the recording studio.
The goal of this course is to graduate you in 6 to 8 months with your own written and produced radio-ready music. If you're an electronic musician, hip-hop artist, rock, pop, R&B, or in fact any genre, Ableton for Music Creators and Artists is essential to get you up and running as a composer or music artist.
To hear some sample tracks of current or former students who took the program and produced sounds while students in the Recording Connection, please visit recordingconnection.com, where we have an active radio station playing fully student-produced music. Also, if you're interested, please let us know and we can let you read reviews of dozens of happy graduates who took this very course and are now thriving as music creators.